What the brap is up, everybody? Cody with Two Wheels and a Tent. And today, Tim put out a video on editing moto vlogs. Tim Collins from 40 Times Around. I had my video almost done, saw that video, scrapped it, and I have spent almost 12 hours today, off and on, editing this video. So I hope you enjoy. If you do, please give it a big thumbs up. Maybe share it with your friends. Consider sponsoring me on Patreon or checking out the store with shirts and coffee mugs and stickers in the links below. This is Johnny Mac and I doing some hard enduro. Johnny's teaching me, I'm learning and trying to find the balls to follow him up half this stuff. Enjoy. If you like it, please leave a comment. I love talking to y'all. And this summer I hope to get out more with Tim and meet more of you. But let's get into it right now. All right, going up Skull Canyon, I guess. That was weird. I just saw either an animal or a bike go that way.
You ready? What do you think of that? It looks scary, it's not scary. That probably looked cool, didn't it?
Yeah.
Good technique?
Yeah.
What are you laughing about?
No, I have to go out that. That's what I'm laughing about.
You're gonna have to start standing if you're gonna do that.
It didn't look scary when you did it, but now that I'm looking at it, it looks like a damn wall. Woo! That wasn't too bad. Just a little more momentum.
How much PSI do you have in that tire?
A lot, probably. Rent goes what, 0?
Pretty low, it's like 2.
We'll try that. That actually went a little better than I thought it would.
Only had to make it like 3 inches more.
I said a prayer, it just wasn't answered at that moment.
Yeah, you won't make it with that tire. It's just gonna slip.
Whoa! See how slick it is?
Pretty slick.
Split the defense, baby! Woo! Yeah, baby! Woo! Ha ha ha! Legs are on fire. Had to throw that right hand turn in at me, did you? You broke your seat?
Yeah, wasn't even extreme. I don't know how it broke.
Yeah! Oh!
If I sit, all of this mass, including me, has to get pulled up by the bike and momentum. If I, at the last second, jump forward and then push the bike up as it hits the wall, what's gonna happen? The bike's kind of free to move. So that's kind of why I dab, why I put a left or a right foot down, so I can de-weight myself from the situation. I might keep weight on the bike until I feel it move, because I want traction, right?
That's where I think I'm feeling myself fall back down the hill.
That's right. All the way up?
Woo! That hurt the nuts though. But I found them.
Nice job.
Thanks.
Now we go down.
I think I'll walk it. No shame in that, right?
I walked it the first time. The first time I rolled it was for your camera. And the other time I walked it.
Woo! A little bit of redemption.
Nice job.
All right. I've given it all I had to give, Captain.